It's time to wash the van. I do this every time I head out on a trip. I know that it's gonna get dirty again, but it's always nice to have a clean van. Planning to take the van down to Southern California, where the weather is going to be much warmer than Northern. So I'm looking forward to just hanging out at the beaches, eating great food, and take a few nice beautiful coastal trails. $92, that's only 3/4 of a tank. Crazy. Okay, let's get back on the road. Have to stop by the grocery store to pick up some vegetables for the road. Gosh, I love these Brussels sprouts. So finally checked into the campsite. The ocean is just right in front. This is an oceanfront campground, and let me tell you, it's so beautiful. I can't wait to show it to you in the morning. It's really dark out there. I'm gonna start a little bonfire and start dinner, call it a night, go to sleep, listening to the sound of the waves. So this is Jalama Beach campground that I booked last night. It's a bit of work to drive here. I mean, you have to go through the mountains and the hills, and the road's pretty windy. But when you get here, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. The ocean is like literally steps away. I mean, I've never parked my car as close as I've ever did. Being here in December, the weather is still gorgeous. A bit windy, but this beach is known for the wind, which is fine. And you can see the mountains just right outside along with the ocean. So definitely one of my favorite campground that you guys need to check out. It's in Santa Barbara County. It's called Jalama Beach. Let's take you back there and give you a little tour. So I had this open all night. Look at that. So this was where I camped last night. It was dark, so I could not show you the view, but look at it right now. It's right in front of the ocean. Let me take you. Look at those waves. It's a bit windy today. Look at those mountains in the back. I'm planning to take a walk down the beach way and see what's going on over there. I was having a hard time starting the bonfire yesterday because the wind was just too strong. So I'm going to get some lighter fluid to help with keeping the fire going. Let's see if they have it in here in this store. For lunch, steak, rice, and salad. Get a break from this wind too, it's so pretty outside. Good thing I brought my sunglasses because the sand was just all over the place, and at least the sunglasses blocks the sand away from my eyes. Wasn't that such a beautiful sunset? That's why I love van camping, because I get to choose the best camping spots, and I normally love to stay at campsite that is right in front of the ocean. I'm about to start dinner. I want to eat some noodle soup. I made some chicken broth before I came here, so I'm gonna heat that up. It's gonna be chicken noodle soup, Vietnamese style. It's called minga. I want to show you my isotherm refrigerator, and it looks small, but it's actually pretty deep and it holds so many things in here. Right now I'm trying to get out the chicken broth. This is the chicken broth. This refrigerator also has this cute ice compartment where ice can be made. Right now I'm just getting ready to clean up the van and check out, and I'm gonna head to my next destination, which will be Pismo Beach. I'm gonna miss this place. Look at that ocean over there right in the back of me. I've been here for 2 days and I just love it. I mean, there's nothing to do here except relax, and that's exactly what I want to do.